Hi, welcome back to day 5 of our 30 Days to Clutter-Free Living Challenge. Today is another relatively easy one. We're going to declutter our medicine cabinets. So what I mean by easy is it's usually not sentimental to go through these items, so we should be able to do it pretty quickly. I'm going to just double check that we are not keeping anything that we no longer use, or if there's items that are like massively expired. That's always a personal choice too. Some people keep expired medication, some people don't, totally up to you. And then I'm also going to use this time to make sure that we have any prescriptions that we might need that are stored in our emergency prep kits. And I'm going to double check that we have everything we actually need as far as the basics for first aid and medications. Sometimes when we're going through and decluttering, it's easy to get rid of stuff that we don't need, but it's also just as important to take stock of the things that might be missing that you need to replenish. Okay, I took everything out of our medicine cabinet. We also have this medicine bin that we keep under the sink that's like sort of one-off items or backstock of things that we just don't need like daily access to. I also noticed that we are out of just regular Benadryl, which I like to have on hand in case we get an allergic reaction to something. And we don't have any sort of like eye moisture drops. So I added those to my list. I found a duplicate of a medication that I'm going to tuck into our emergency prep kit, and we're all set. So easy. See you tomorrow.